morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning, which means I've been to the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market. Just a handful of vendors, but we knew that because technically last Saturday was the end of the farmers market here in Yuba City for the year. But some of the growers did so well and are doing really well that they extended to this week and next week. Unfortunately, I didn't personally have a lot of call for vegetables for this coming week's menu. But I did stop by and saw some of my friends, my vendors, and I did pick up some shiitake mushrooms, and I am so embarrassed. I was talking to another vendor, and I said, "Hey, I just got some from Corey. I got some mushrooms from Corey." And his young man looks at me and goes, "No, I think his name is Cody." So he just gave me a new business card, and sure enough, I am embarrassed. I have been calling Cody, my mushroom guy, Corey, for over almost 3 months. So I apologize, Cody. Your mushrooms are great. These are the shiitakes. I have one recipe that I'll be using these in. I can't remember which, but I know but yeah, these are going to be really well. He has some other beautiful, this is his new logo. Spore and Sprout. So yeah, it was good to see everybody. And I saw a couple of other friends who were shopping. So yeah, it was a good time. Today, actually, let's go step back to last night. Last night, I prepared my fish tacos with the cabbage and corn slaw. I make extra slaw because I love this slaw. It's really good. It was good, fun, good times. Used tilapia. Yeah, great times. Today is take 2 of the patty melts with the homemade Russian dressing. So let's just get to it. We'll do it real brief. Got the hardware. Actually, something happened. I thought about it. I'm like, why am I using a non-stick pan for the patties when I could be using cast iron? So I'll be using cast iron. The patty melts are super simple. I'm using elk hamburger, of course, some sliced Swiss cheese. I'm using some dark rye that we had on hand for the Reuben bake, onions, of course, butter, kosher salt, black pepper. We're using, on the side, we'll be having the Ore-Ida extra crispy seasoned crinkles because they actually had them this time. That's Bel Air had them. The Russian dressing is really simple. Mayonnaise, ketchup, Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, some sweet pickle relish, some lemon juice, and just a little bit of salt and pepper. Like I said, I'm going to keep that quick. Like I said, that's take 2. Last night, doing my dinner postings and whatnot, I discovered we had an explosion of new members. Last week, up until like midday Friday, 13 new members. So then I clicked out of that and I got, bam, on the screen from the time that post was created to be posted later today, we have 21 new members. Everybody, all these new members are from all across the United States. And a couple are from out of country. So, wow, I'm thrilled. Which in turn makes us at 1,000, as of the last time I checked, 1,606 members in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Thank you and welcome all you new members. So on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun.